Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. It's been a long time since I've given you any update on the Endeavour. Well, many months back, the Endeavour had a small flood accident and it had to go into the dealership for repairs. We actually got the Endeavour repaired and it cost around 10.5 lakhs to repair it. The entire amount was paid by the insurance, so we didn't have any issues. We got the car back, and this was around the time when there were lockdowns and we couldn't drive the car much. And exactly after 2 weeks, the car failed again. It just stopped all of a sudden. It was jerky and it stopped all of a sudden. We had then given the Endeavour back to the service center again, but this time they said that the transmission has failed and we would have to pay for it. So we asked them why this issue wasn't discovered when the car was with the dealership. So for this they replied that this could have been a consequential damage as a result of the water entering the engine and then the transmission. So the transmission could have been damaged slowly through usage, and that is why they couldn't find out at the dealership. But one doubt on my mind was that the service center had confirmed that they had opened up the transmission and refilled the transmission fluid in it. Now, if the service center had opened up the transmission, it means that even the transmission could have failed due to the service center's negligence. And this is what I had put forward to them, but they had never accepted their mistake. They said no, this is still a consequential damage and there was no negligence from their part. This was their final stand, but I was still doubtful about this, so I had asked them to wait with the repair work, and I wouldn't pay till I get some clarity on this. So what I did is I posted my doubt and complaint with the bill on Team BHP. So almost immediately a Team BHP member had found out some discrepancy in the transmission fluid used by looking at the bill. And now at the same time I had also contacted the CEO of Ford India, that was Mr. Anurag, and all of them did not get back to me. They were saying that they will investigate the matter, but many days passed and they still did not give a proper reply. But once I sent the proof of the bill on how the service center goofed up the transmission oil change to the CEO, and almost immediately they requested the service center to do the repairs on their expense. Cost something around 4 lakh rupees to repair it. So we were relieved at that. But just when we were happy that the issue was resolved, a month later we get a call back from the service center saying that another part has failed, and this time it was with turbo. There was some turbo hose leak, so that part needed to be replaced. That cost somewhere around 1.5 lakh rupees. So by now we have clearly understood the intentions of the service center. They just want to fleece money from us at any cost. It's actually much better to get the car back from them as soon as possible. And so obviously we had to pay this money. I didn't want to investigate, I didn't want to create any issues further, because I just decided we are going to move on from this incident. We are going to move on to another dealership or another service center. Now this service center is from Nagarkoil, so it is very pathetic and really annoying working with them. Anyways, we are going to check out service centers in Madurai or Trivandrum from henceforth. I just wanted to let you guys know that if a service center decides to take your money, I think there's nothing we can do. We do have to listen and pay up, especially for a company like Ford. They are no more in India, so definitely they're not going to back up customers. Honestly, that's very sad. So we have an option either to move on to different service centers, or we'll have to sell this vehicle. But being an Endeavour, we really love this vehicle a lot, and it's going to be a very tough decision to sell it. But I'm not sure what will happen in future. It all depends on the service quality in other service centers from now on. Anyways, I just thought of sharing this information with you guys, and I hope you found it useful. If you had a similar experience like this, please do mention it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear it from you guys. Anyways, thanks for watching the vlog till now. If you liked it, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.